How to install nail drive anchors. Nail drive anchors are non-removable anchors ideal for light-duty and tamper-proof applications. For this installation, you'll require a hammer drill, masonry drill bit, and a hammer. Hole size and depth are important when installing nail drive anchors. You can measure and use tape to mark the depth to drill. We list the correct hole size and minimum embedment depth on the product details of each nail drive anchor. Drill the hole into the concrete using a hammer drill and masonry drill bit. Clear the hole of any dust and debris so that the anchor can see properly. Place your application over the hole and insert the nail drive anchor. Using a hammer, strike the pin of the anchor to set it in place. For more information on sizing and installing nail drive anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Fastener shopping made easy.